How to make a drawing sheet in Fusion 360. So this is pretty simple. What we're going to do, we have a design right here. We're going to go to drawing from design. Now notice when this comes up on the bottom, it says sheet count 1. So by default, it's going to be 1 sheet, right? So everything's, my drawing type, I'm going to have it on manual, my standard ASLME, I'm going to have it on inches, and sheet size A, because it's, the width is 11 by 8.5 height. Okay, so it's going to print up nice. Anyways, I'm going to hit OK. And we're going to do this really quick, so I'm going to skip some dimensions here, but we'll make this 1:8 scale, and we'll go ahead and call that good right there, and we'll put an isometric view. Let's see, right here. Let's make that shaded. Okay, so this is sheet 1. I'll go ahead and add some dimensions so it looks complete. So our diameter is 10 inches long, and we have the groove here. It's 4 inches wide. We can move that, and we'll position that groove from the face, 3.75, and we'll dimension the diameter of the groove. Alright. Okay, so it's pretty simple. Now we gotta add another sheet, okay? So what I'm gonna do, on your bottom left corner, you're gonna hit quick add, right? I'm gonna go create a view, go to base view, and we're gonna say this is our mill copy, okay? So we'll make it our right. Let's do a 1:6 scale, and what we'll do is we can toggle back and forth from the sheets. Okay, on your bottom left hand side you have sheet 1, then sheet 2. Okay, so this right here, what I could do is I could name this, we'll just say, for this example, we'll just say this is our lathe drawing. Okay, put that there, lathe print. Now on the next sheet, we'll say this is mill, okay? So I'm kind of oversimplifying it, but you just need to know how to make a sheet, and this is how you make a sheet. Alright, now since we're here, we'll go ahead and add some dimensions. Now, what I would suggest is, when you print it up, when you export it, you need to save both sheets, okay? And we'll get to that in just a second. Let's add some dimensions here. 3.75. We've got a radial distance, and let's get a bolt circle. Something like that. All right, and yeah, that'll work. Okay, so when you go to export PDF, we'll have it on Open PDF. Make sure you have it on all sheets. Now all sheets is default, but make sure you have it on all sheets. Alright, so when it exports, you got 2 different sheets. That's how you make a sheet in Fusion 360.